Purchasing or buying into a dental practice. As a dentist looking to take the next step forward in your professional career, whether purchasing an existing dental practice or acquiring a minority interest in a dental practice, this often appears as the next logical step forward. Acquiring an operational dental business or acquiring an equity stake therein might appear to be a relatively straightforward process. However, after nearly 25 years as a lawyer, having done more than my fair share of dental practice purchases and sales, I can honestly say that there are more than enough legal issues involved in these transactions, good, bad, and ugly. The professional nature of the business presents its own unique set of business elements that need to be specifically dealt with, which is made all the more complicated where the business transaction is structured as a share sale, as opposed to an asset sale. As a regulated profession, with these particular transactions typically involving professional corporations and needing to be compliant with the requirements of the province's dental regulatory body, there are additional steps and considerations that are demanded to maintain regulatory compliance. There are also tax planning and structural considerations that need to form part of the transaction. Given that the optimal time to implement tax planning and structuring is at the time of the purchase and sale transaction, without which there can be a heightened level of tax liability. For legitimate tax planning, when done in accordance with the law and legal precedent, is a matter of timing, as opposed to attempting to alter one's tax situation after the fact, which is when serious tax problems tend to occur. Meanwhile, when a younger dentist buys into an established dental practice, typically acquiring a minority interest, there is a need to enter into a unanimous shareholders agreement or partnership agreement, with the established dentist seeking to retain the greatest possible control and dictate the procedures and outcomes from your buy-in. Such arrangements tend to be slanted in favor of established dentists and require careful consideration of prior corporate and tax structuring, which can entail further personal structuring for the incoming dentist to optimize their personal tax situation from partnering with other established dentists. However, it is the complexities involved in the purchase of dental practices when the participants have not been fully honest and forthcoming, such as imperative to undertake one's own due diligence and investigatory work, together with contractual legal protections specific to the dental business being of particular importance. For even though the majority of dental business transactions proceed smoothly, there have been enough complexities with pre-existing business and legal issues, as well as those with dishonest and problematic participants, such that it is incumbent on the other side, especially when acquiring an existing dental practice, that the appropriate legal steps and legal protections are undertaken. For experienced legal representation in the purchase or buy-in to a dental practice, contact our law firm for a confidential consultation. Thank you.